Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm Ismail Orazgiliyov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. The President of Turkmenistan received the Minister of Energy of the Islamic Republic of Iran. President Serdar Berdimuhamedow received Abbas Aliyabadi, the Minister of Energy of the Islamic Republic of Iran, and Mohammad Reza Farzin, the Governor of the Central Bank of Iran, who are on an official visit to Turkmenistan. The head of state emphasized the opportunities to further expand cooperation in the oil and gas sector. He expressed confidence in the benefits of exploring new forms and methods of partnership and engaging in consistent mutual discussions to implement them in practice. As is known, Turkmenistan advocates for diversifying routes for delivering energy resources to global markets. Currently, Turkmenistan is working with its partners on several significant energy projects. President Berdimuhamedow noted that these initiatives are being implemented with a focus on ecological safety and confirmed Turkmenistan's readiness to support proposals and initiatives aimed at advancing bilateral relations. The volume of Turkmen natural gas exports to Uzbekistan will increase. A telephone conversation took place between the national leader of the Turkmen people, chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow, and the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, Shavkat Mirziyoyev. During the conversation, the current state and prospects for developing bilateral cooperation in the trade, economic, and fuel energy sectors were discussed in detail. As is well known, Turkmenistan has been supplying natural gas to the Republic of Uzbekistan for several years, based on the principles of good neighborliness, mutual respect, support, and equitable partnership. In this context, the national leader of the Turkmen people and the head of the neighboring brotherly state emphasized the high efficiency and long-term nature of joint efforts in the gas sector, and agreed to increase the volume of Turkmen natural gas exports to Uzbekistan. Cooperation between Turkmenistan and Turkey in the gas sector. In the capital of Turkmenistan, a meeting took place between the leadership of the Turkmengaz state concern and a delegation led by Abdulwahid Fidan, the General Director of Turkey's BOTAŞ company. During the meeting, issues related to cooperation in the gas sector were discussed. The agreements reached during the visit of the national leader of the Turkmen people, chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow, to the Republic of Turkey, in March of this year laid the groundwork for enhanced cooperation in the hydrocarbon resources sector. A declaration on intentions to cooperate in this area, as well as a memorandum of understanding between the Turkmengaz state concern and the Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources of Turkey on developing collaboration in the natural gas sector, were signed during the visit. These agreements marked a new qualitative level in the relations between the two nations in the energy sector. The set of documents has established a robust legal foundation for further expanding cooperation in the oil and gas industry. Turkmenistan to sign additional agreement on electricity supply with Afghanistan. To implement Turkmenistan's plans to export electricity abroad and to continue cooperation between Turkmenistan and Afghanistan in the field of electricity, the President of Turkmenistan signed a resolution. According to the document, the Ministry of Energy of Turkmenistan's Turkmenenergo State Power Corporation is authorized to sign supplementary agreements with Afghanistan's Da Afghanistan Breshna Sherkat company regarding the supply of electricity from Turkmenistan to Afghanistan under previously concluded contracts. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.